Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Paddock. I hope that you're doing well. Today for our math lesson, we're going to be talking about measurement. I've got a bunch of worksheets that I put into your homework package, and I also uploaded them onto our daily agenda, so check out the Google Classroom for that if you somehow have lost the package, okay? So I'm going to show it to you now, and we're going to work through our worksheets, and then the assignment is called Pet Shop, and I'll show you what that is going to look like at the end as well, okay? So bear with me. I'm going to flip this over so you can see it. Okay, so these are the worksheets. There's actually quite a few worksheets that we're going to get through today. We're going to start off with the first one here. Remember, I only have one hand to work with here. So I'm going to use just my blue marker so you can see as we work through it, okay? And you, of course, would probably just use pencil or crayon when it's time, okay? So for this one, it says, which holds the most? So we're talking about capacity here. I've read a story and I uploaded it on YouTube, so you should check that out, called Capacity. So basically, we're looking at like how much stuff it can hold inside, okay? And so we're going to look at each container, and we're going to color the container in each row that would hold the most. Now I'm just going to put some blue marker on there so you can see, but you're going to color it in, you can pick whichever color you want. So color the container in each row that would hold the most. So which container in the bowls do you think would hold the most? Yeah, this one. So I'm going to color this one blue. Now we look at the mugs here. Which one would hold the most? Yep, that one there. So color that one. Okay, now look at these garbage bins. Which one would hold the most garbage? Yep, that one would color. We're going to color it because it's going to hold the most. And then how about the boxes? Which one would hold the most? What would the capacity? Yep, this one here has the most capacity. You can put more stuff in there, right? So there you go. So that's our first worksheet. Which holds the most? Easy peasy. Remember, you're going to do a better job than me because, of course, remember, I stay in kindergarten. You're going to go to grade 1, right? Okay, who's got more? So for this one, we're going to look at each of the pets' bowls, and we're going to circle each animal's bowl that has the most food. So you're going to look at the food bowl and which one has the most food. So we're going to look at the kitty cat's food. Which one has more food in it, the most? This one here. So we're going to circle this. So the instructions are to circle it. Look at this one. Which one has more milk? Yeah, this one has more milk. So we're going to circle that one. Oh, the little, maybe it's a hamster or a gerbil. Hopefully, maybe it's most too. Which one holds the most? Yep, this one holds the most. And then the last one, I think this is a gerbil maybe. Which one holds the most? This one holds the most. Okay, so there you have it. So who's got more? That's how your sheet should look like. Now, we're going to look at this one. This one is called light as a feather. Light as a feather. Now for this one, we're going to circle the item that is lighter in each box. Color the lighter item. So this one you can, so you're going to circle and then color the lighter item. So here, if we look at the first one, which one is lighter? Is it the elephant or the mouse? That's easy, right? It's going to be this guy here, and then you're going to color him too. Okay. Then we look at the baseball or the bat. Which one is lighter? That's kind of tough, but I think it's going to be the ball here. It's going to be lighter, so you'd color the ball as well. Which one is lighter, the hammer or the nail? Yep, the nail, and you'd color that. Which one is lighter, a TV or a vase with flowers? Yeah, the vase with flowers, and you're going to color that one. That's the lighter one. And then here, oh, sorry about the bell. Now you have grape jelly or a candy cane. Which one is going to be lighter? Yeah, the candy cane is going to be lighter, and you're going to color that in as well. A pumpkin or a brush? Yeah, the brush would be lighter, and you would color that in as well. Okay, so that one is the light as a feather worksheet. Hopefully that makes sense. Now this one here is, it says which is heavier. So the other one was lighter. Now we want to know which item is heavier. And here they're using scales. And when you put something on a scale, if it's heavier, the scale goes down. Okay, so if it's heavier, it goes down, and that tells us that one weighs more than the other one, which is up higher. Okay, so for this, we're going to circle the item that is heavier on each scale. So if we look at the first box here, which one do you think is heavier, the snail or the ball? Yeah, so the soccer ball is heavier. Which one is heavier, the flashlight or the glasses? Or I don't know what that is, maybe a little toy there. It's the flashlight that's heavier. Let's look here. It's this either this bowl here or a key. Which one is heavier? The bowl is heavier. You see it goes down, right? So it's heavier. So we're circling that. An acorn or a carrot, which one is heavier? Yeah, the carrot is heavier, right? Because again, the scale is going down. So that one is which is heavier. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This one here, it says here, Jack and the Beanstalk, and it's pretty easy. You guys are experts at Jack and the Beanstalk. It says here, draw green leaves on the tallest beanstalk. Now I'm gonna go find a green crayon here. There's my green crayon, sorry. And so we have to draw green leaves on the tallest beanstalk. So which one of the 3 beanstalks is the tallest? Is it the number 1, number 2, or number 3? Yeah, this one is the tallest, number 2 here. So we're going to draw some leaves on it. So I'm just going to put some leaves just with my crayon, kind of do as best I can. And I'm going to draw some leaves. All right, there we go. So there you go. So that's the one that should have, it's the tallest beanstalk, and that's the one we're supposed to draw leaves, green leaves on it. Okay, good stuff there. Next, excuse me, we're going to look at this page, which is called giraffes. And it says here, there's 3 giraffes. You're going to draw a leaf in the mouth of the giraffe that has the longest neck. So which one has the longest neck? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Yeah, number 1. So we're going to draw a leaf in here. So I'm just going to put a leaf in here. And I'm just going to do it that way. I didn't even use my green. Color the spots on the giraffe that has the shortest neck. So which one has the shortest neck? 1, 2, or 3? 3. So we're going to color the spots on that giraffe. So I'm just going to go like that just to kind of get that going. Okay, there you go. So that's all you have to do for that one. So draw a leaf in the one with the longest neck and color the spots for the one with the shortest neck. Okay, easy peasy. Excellent. Now this is your assignment. In your assignment, you're going to have these 2 pages. So one is called Pet Shop. And then the second part of the Pet Shop is this that has, it says shortest on this side and then tallest on this side. So what we have to do here is we're going to color first the animals, and then we're going to cut them out and glue them from shortest to tallest or smallest to largest. It doesn't matter how you want to say it, okay? Now I'm going to show you what I did, and then we're going to show you. So what I want you to do is, I've got my sheets here, sorry. So I've got the one sheet here. So I want you to use the primary colors. So we're going to use red, blue, and yellow. And you're going to color all the ones red, okay? Those are all going to be shortest ones. So all the shortest ones are going to be red. All the middle or medium-sized ones are going to be number 2, and they're going to be blue. So you're going to color these boxes blue. And then the tallest animals are going to be yellow. So number 3 is going to be yellow. Okay, so does that make sense? So color these boxes red, blue, and yellow. So we got the primary colors. Now you're going to do the same thing with your animals. We're going to go through them and you're going to color them the right way. So for example, here is if you look at the dogs, which one is the shortest? It's going to be red. Which one is medium? Is going to be blue. Which one is yellow? Is going to be that one, okay? So if we do that here, I'm going to show you with this. I'm going to do that one more time. So again, red is going to be the shortest, blue is the middle, and yellow is going to be my tallest, okay? So if we look at the dogs here, which one is the shortest of the dogs? That one is the shortest, so we're going to color him red, okay? Which one of these 2 is the tallest? Tallest is that one, so I'm going to color him yellow. Remember, I'm not doing a very good job. You're going to do a better job, okay? Which one is the middle, medium? The blue. So that one there. So there you go, okay? So the first one is done. So yellow, blue, red. Next one, we're going to have the cats here. So let's look at the cats. Which cat do you think is the shortest cat? That one's the shortest, so we're going to color it red. Okay. Which cat do you think is the tallest? That one's the tallest, so we're going to color it yellow. Okay. And which cat, of course, is the medium? It's that one there, so we're going to color him blue. Okay. Next, last one is the bunnies. So again, which one is the shortest of the bunnies? That one's the shortest, so we're going to color him red. Which one is the tallest? That one, so we're going to color that yellow. And then the last one, of course, is going to be blue, is in the middle, medium, okay? Now you're going to cut those out, and then, of course, you're going to then put them in the right order. And it should be easy because all you're going to do is go by color. So you already colored these boxes, so now you should be able to go like this. So short, medium, tall. Okay, oops. And you're going to glue yours down. And then the same thing with the cats. So this one is medium, this one is tall, this one is the short one, and then we got the bunnies. So short, medium, and then the tall one. Okay, so there you have it. So that's what your sheet should look like. You, of course, are going to do a better job at coloring than I am, but that's what it's going to look like. Put your name on it, first and last name, and then parents can take a picture, or you can show it to me the next day. Okay? Hope that helped. I don't know. I went pretty quick. If you have any questions, let me know. But I think they're pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy worksheets, and I think you know how to do all this by yourself. Okay? Love you lots, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.